Hey guys, so today we're doing day 2 of the strongest one. So the question of the week is, how do you make predictions? And our learning goal is I can make a prediction based on what I see and read in the story. So let's watch a video and review on what making predictions looks like.
We just had the most amazing family vacation. Let's go! Oh my God! This is gorgeous.
Hi friends, today's lesson is all about making predictions. Our learning goal says, I can make predictions. Well, what is a prediction? A prediction is a guess. But when you read, it's a guess that's based off of clues. For example, the other day I was in my yard and I heard an animal behind my bush. Do you see him kind of sticking out? And I was like, oh my goodness, I wonder what animal is behind that bush. So I looked for clues before I made my prediction. Let's see. Oh, I see it has some wings. And, oh, it has something pointy in the back, it looks like. And it's black and yellow. Let's see, wings, something pointy, and black and yellow. Can you take a guess as to what animal was behind the bush? Yeah, that's what I guessed. A bee! Hey, I was right. Good thing I looked for clues before I took my guess. When you make predictions, you want to be like a detective. You're going to look for clues. Now, we know as good readers look at the pictures and the text to look for those good clues. Then, we're going to make our guess. You want to make a guess that makes sense. Like, if I saw the wings and something pointy and black and white behind a bush, I'm probably not going to guess that it's a grizzly bear. Because grizzly bears don't have wings, so that would make no sense. So after you look for the clues, you want to think about what would make sense before you make your guess. Okay, let's try another one. So let's see. Oh, there was another animal behind the bush. Goodness gracious. All right, I want you to think, what are some 3 observations that you make? 3 things that you see that are clues. You have your clues? Oh, good. So these are mine. I was looking so closely and I saw some long ears, a very bushy tail, and another clue would be, oh, look at those whiskers. So long ears, bushy tail, and whiskers. What kind of animal has long... Do you know what it is? A bunny! That's what I guessed too. It was a rabbit. Hey, we did a nice job of looking for our clues before we made our guess, or our...
Okay, so whenever you are making predictions, you need to look for clues before you make your guess. So, what did you predict that the ant would do next? So this was our quick write from yesterday. So this question is asking, what did you predict the ant would do next? So maybe read over what you wrote yesterday, and we'll see if your prediction is correct. So this is what Little Red Ant did next. Mouse must be strongest. Before I start reading, let's be sure that we have our reading books out. Sorry, I didn't say that before. Let's be sure that we get our 2.1 reading books and turn to page 164. If you don't have that already, go ahead and pause the video and go get it. After you have it and you're ready to go, press play. All right, so now that you have your reading book and you're turned to page 164, I'm going to read aloud the first page and then you'll read the next page. Mouse must be strongest. I will ask, Mouse, are you the strongest of all? Mouse, no, I'm not the strongest. Who is stronger than you? Cat is stronger. Cat chases me, and if Cat catches me, Cat will eat me. Here it comes. As Cat walks on stage, Mouse hurries off stage squeaking. Cat must be the strongest. I will ask, Cat, are you the strongest of all? Nope, I'm not the strongest. On 165, read to see what is strongest. What is stronger than cat? Pause the video while you read. After you're finished reading, press play. Okay, so Little Red Ant asked Cat, who is stronger than you? Cat said, Stick is stronger. And then guess what Little Red Ant did? Well, the stick must be strongest. I will ask, Stick, are you the strongest of all? Then the stick answers, No, I'm not the strongest. Who is stronger than you? Little Red Ant said. Stick, fire is stronger. When I am put to fire, fire burns me up. Here it comes. So, of course, Little Red Ant thought, Fire must be strongest. I will ask, Fire, are you the strongest of all? No, I'm not the strongest. Well, who is stronger than you? Before we keep reading, let's predict. Let's use clues on the page. What is stronger than fire? Right, we see that this here, it looks like water. And we also know in our mind that water will put out fire. So let's see. Water is stronger. When water is poured on me, it kills me. Here it comes. Then we have those parentheses. As water walks on stage, fire hurries off stage. Water must be strongest. I will ask, Water, are you the strongest of all? No, I'm not the strongest. Okay, so there's not many clues on this page, but using our own minds, I wonder, what could be stronger than water? Well, let's see. Oh, before we read, let's think. Would the arrow be stronger, or would the moose or deer be stronger? Well, let's see. Who is stronger than you? He's talking to the water. Deer is stronger. When deer comes, deer drinks me. Here it comes. As deer walks on stage, water hurries off stage. Deer must be strongest. I will ask, Deer, are you the strongest of all? No, I'm not the strongest. Okay, so let's use our prediction mind again using clues from the page. What is going to be stronger than deer? Well, I see the ant. I don't think the ant's going to be stronger than deer, but I do see an arrow. Right, so an arrow, because deer is sometimes hunted so they can have, so people can have meat. So deer, arrow is stronger. When arrow strikes me, it can kill me. Here it comes. And then arrow walks on stage, deer runs off stage with leaping bounds. So the deer went off safely. All right, so that is it for the reading today. We have a quiz on Canvas, and then we have spelling practice on Class Dojo. Be sure to do both things for reading today. After you're finished with both, do 15 to 20 minutes on iReady Reading. So work hard, because I'm going to be looking at your work that you submit today. So good luck and do your best.